Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my favorite chocolate. This is James, then Rudwa surprise will come, and this is Milky Bar with chocolate, extra dark chocolate, and this is Mango Ping Pong Lollipop, my favorite. And let us open this. And if I open but can't open, it's very tight. Yes, I opened. And now let us open it. Wow, nice. Look what I got. It is a Rudra with a card. And there is a chocolate. Yes. And this is my favorite thing. I wanted this one for many days. Thank you. Don't forget to like my channel. Please subscribe it. Bye bye.